how to recover hacked Gmail account without phone number recovery email. So if you want to recover hacked Gmail account without phone number recovery email, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your Google sign-in page or Gmail sign-in page. And once you're on your sign-in page, if you want to recover your hacked Gmail account, you need to enter the email at first. After entering your email, you need to go with next and you need to enter your password, right? But if you don't remember your password or if the hacker has changed your password, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password and you can verify your device in order to log into your account. Or if you don't have access to the device, you can go with try another way. And if you've added any mobile number or if you've added any recovery email, then you'll be able to recover with your mobile number or your recovery email. But if you've not added anything, then you won't be able to sign in. The only way is to go with account recovery page. If you go with the next, it will take you to the account recovery page, enter your email or your phone number, and then tap on next and tap on continue. And that's it. Your account has been logged in. Go with I agree. And in this way, you'll be able to log into your account or recover your account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.